Hey guys, Simon Murray here with probably the shortest reduction video you're ever going to see. First things first, I really want to shake and agitate that paint, something I feel we don't do enough. And now I'm going to reduce the paint and I'm going to use 4011 reducer. It's the go-to for all of our paints, 4011. But I'm also going to use 4030 urethane clear. I can't think of a single time where I would simply reduce my paint. I'm really always going to run a cocktail of 4011 and 4030. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put the paint in, obviously, and then I'm going to add the 4030 and the 4011 at approximately 10%. Now, when we say 10%, it's not definitive. It's basically a starting point. It's more a suggestion. If you want more atomization, you're going to need more reducer, more 4030. But the 10% is really the starting point that we recommend, where the paint will flow and give you reasonable atomization. So I'm putting the 4030 in, as I say, at 10%. To give you an idea, when I'm working on my own, I literally eyeball this. So it is not imperative, guys. It's really not. Don't get hung up on it. It's a starting point, a suggestion. So I'm putting my 4011 in again at 10%, and I'm going to shake this, stir this thoroughly. That is super important. And I want to let that stand for a solid 12 to 15 minutes before I use it. Now, the purpose of this very short video is a visual reference to show you guys the flow rate of a stick here. You can see the cup on the right has got the reduction and the 4030 at 10%, and the cup on the left is straight out of the bottle. That's not going to give you atomization. So just a quick visual representation. I hope this helps. I'm Simon Murray, and take care.